Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Tech Place. And today I'm going to start one series called AI development. And for sure, I'm going to bring a lot of videos on these topic. And today I have started the setup, which is released open source technologies called Llama 2 by Meta. And today we are trying to install it locally. And you can see my screen. I'm getting the wget command. I'm trying to download, I'm trying to execute one sh file, but I'm getting error actually locally. So what I'm trying to do, because internally in this script file, they're using the wget to download the llama 2 libraries actually. The model libraries, we are going to download it using this wget. So since locally that I don't have wget, then you might be also getting this issue. And this setup I'm doing into my macbook. So now I'm going to teach you how to install the wget. And to install this wget, what we have to do, we have to use the homebrew command. As you know, the homebrew command, you know that brew install wget. Kindly click on that or kindly select this command brew install wget, and then after install it. You might be getting here that I've already installed the setup, that's why no need to reinstall it. But for you, if you have installed brew locally, it will install locally to your system. Once it is installed, then you need to do the setup for this download.sh. I'm going to tell you in further videos the complete setup about this llama 2, and how we are going to integrate this llama 2 with the front end, and how are you going to use the large language model into your application development as well. Thank you.